Thank you for being here. Today we're diving into the world of basil, that aromatic herb that not only elevates your dishes but also comes with some amazing health benefits. Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about basil or basil as some may call it. Basil, often referred to as the king of herbs, is a staple in kitchens around the world. But did you know it's also a powerhouse of nutrients? Let's start with a little background. Basil has been used for thousands of years, originating from Asia and Africa. It holds a special place in many cultures, not just for its flavor but also for its medicinal properties. There are many varieties of basil, but the most common ones you will encounter are sweet basil, Thai basil, and holy basil, also known as tulsi. Each has its unique flavor profile and health benefits. Let's break them down. Sweet basil, which is what you usually find in pesto and Italian dishes, is rich in antioxidants, essential oils, and vitamin K. Thai basil has a slightly spicier, licorice-like flavor, perfect for Southeast Asian cuisine. And the holy basil, revered for its Ayurvedic medicine, is known for its stress-relieving properties. Now let's talk about the health benefits. First up, basil is a great source of antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in your body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Basil is also anti-inflammatory. Its essential oils like eugenol, citronellol, and linalool help reduce inflammation, which is linked to various health issues such as heart disease and arthritis. One of my favorite ways to enjoy basil is in a soothing tea. Holy basil tea in particular is known for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and promotes mental balance. Not only that, but basil is also great for your gut health. It has antibacterial properties that can help maintain a healthy digestive system and prevent infections. Nutritionally, basil is low in calories but packed with vitamin A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. This makes it a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. Growing your own basil is super easy and rewarding. It loves warm weather and can be grown in pots or directly in the garden. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and water. Harvesting basil is simple. Just pick the leaves as you need them. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more leaves. Plus, there's nothing like the taste of fresh basil straight from your garden. Basil is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From classic pesto and caprese salads to Thai curries and refreshing drinks, the possibilities are endless. Here's a quick tip. Add fresh basil at the end of cooking to preserve its flavor and nutrients. Cooking basil for too long can diminish its vibrant taste and health benefits. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to basil. Whether you're using it to spice up your meals or boost your health, basil is truly a remarkable herb. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. And let us know in the comments below if you like to use basil in your kitchen. Until next time.